Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you use play a game using Python and Pygame library. So we have developed the user interface using Tkinter. Now user have to first sign up with the details like full name, username, password and the country. So I'm entering the demo details like full name, beta, username programmer, password 123, country India, and then click on the sign up button. And if you have already account, then just click on the already have account button. Now log in with the username and password. So I'm entering the username pass programmer and password 123. Now you can select the difficulty level like easy, medium or hard. Okay, and then click on the let's go button. So let's click on hard. Okay, what is written by math.cell and 3 comma 4. You can select the answer and then click on submit button and then next. All keywords are Python are in lowercase, uppercase, capitalized or none of the above mentioned. Then click on submit button. You just have to select any option and then click on the submit button. There will be a counter like 3, 2, 1. Your score is 0. Okay, let's click on close button. Okay, now again run the file. Click on start button. And is there already have account? Then just click on the already have account button. Then enter the username and password. Click on start button. Then select the difficulty level. Medium, let's go. Then you have to select that options and then click on next button. It will show the score is 0. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.